Kedar gauri vrath is also known as Kedareshwara vrath. It is an auspicious Hindu festival celebrated on the Amavasya during the Diwali festival of the Kartik month. Kedar Vrath is dedicated to Lord Shiva. According to the Hindu legends, it was believed that goddess Parvati observed Kedar Vrath. Welcome to Neela's View. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and hit bell icon for notifications. Significance of Kedara gauri vrath. The glories of Kedara gauri vrath are mentioned in Hindu religious scriptures, Skanda Purana. Several gods and goddesses also performed Kedar vrath to fulfill their desire. As per the legend, Devi Parvati observed this vrath. She merged with Lord Shiva. Later, he was also known as Ardhanarishwara. Lord Vishnu observed this vrath to become the Lord of Vaikunta, and Lord Brahma got his swan Vahana after observing this vrath. It is believed that a devotee who performed the Kedar vrath 21 times will be bestowed with all the worldly desires and attain moksha by merging with the Lord. At Kailash, Parmeshwar and Parvati were seated on throne. Brahma, Vishnu, Devendra and thousands of devas, rishis, gandharvas come and do pradakshina and seek their blessings. One rishi named Birungi prayed only to Lord Shiva, circumambulated him alone and ignored Devi. Parvati Devi got angry about this rishi's behavior and asked Parmeshwar, if all these devatas come and pray both of us, why this rishi seeks your blessings alone? Shiva replied, O daughter of Parvata, Bringi Rishi does not seek prosperity but liberation, that is moksha. Hence, he is seeking only my blessings. Hearing this, Parvati turned her attention to Birangi and said, O Rishi, since you ignored me, I am going to take away your power. And she took it with her weapon. Without any strength, Birangi Rishi couldn't walk and fell down. When Shiva saw Birangi lying on the floor, he asked Birangi what happened. The Rishi replied it was due to him not praying to Shakti. She took away his strength. The ever compassionate Shiva gave him a stick to support himself. Grateful for the help, the Rishi circumambulated Shiva with the help of the stick and left to his ashram. Parvati Devi was mad at Shiva and said to him, if you were not supportive of me, this is not the place for me to stay. And she stormed out of Kailash for earth. She appeared in a forest where Rishi Valmiki was set up his ashram. It was a surprise to the residents that the whole place is vibrant and full of energy after a long time. Wondering what is going on, the Rishi found the Supreme Mother resting under a tree. The Rishi worshipped the goddess and welcomed her into his ashram. He was curious to know the appearance of the Supreme Mother in earth. The goddess explained what happened in Kailash and decided to get away for a while. She then inquired the Rishi about any unique vrath available on this earth that she can perform. Valmiki Rishi replied, yes, mother, there is a unique and powerful vratam known but has not been performed by anyone yet. That vratam is called Kedareshwara Nombu or vratam. If you perform this vratam, all your wishes will come true. Hearing this, goddess Parvati became happy and wanted to know how to perform this vratam. Valmiki Rishi explains, starting from Puratasi Dasami Tithi in growing moon till Deepavali Amavasya, one should perform this vrath for 21 days. Each day after taking bath and wearing clean clothes, perform Abhishekam for the Shivalinga under the banyan tree. Decorate with vibhuti, sandal and flowers. Make small balls of sandal, jaggery, turmeric and place it before the lingam. Adirasam, banana, coconut, betel leaves and nuts should be kept for Naivedyam and do arati. Make a cord rope made of 21 threads and each day tie one knot. If you follow this vow religiously for 21 days and pray to Lord Shiva, he will appear and grant your wishes. Parvati Devi decided to perform this vratam and did so for 21 days. Lord Parmeshwar appeared with his Devaganas and gave half his body to Parvati Devi and became as Ardhanarishwarar. This symbolizes there is no Shiva without Shakti. They are inseparable. Knowing the power of this vratam, all devas and rishis performed this regularly. Once, when celestial maids were performing this puja in the river bank of Ganges, two daughters, Punyavati and Bhagyavati, of a king who lost his kingdom recently, saw them and inquired about this. They explained the vrat and gave them prasad and the sacred thread. When they returned home, miracle had happened and their father reclaimed the kingdom. The girls got married soon and were living a happy life. After few years, Bhagyavati threw away the sacred thread on the beans plant and forgot about it. Soon after, they lost their kingdom to the neighboring king and had to live in forest in hiding. The beans were abundant where the thread fell and they used it to feed themselves. Suffering in poverty, she asked her son to visit her big mother Punyavati and get some help. Punyavati, hearing the full story, took pity and kept the boy for few days to stay with her. She gave him some food and money to help her sister. On the way back home, an eagle took away the bag. The boy went back to Punyavati's house crying and explained what happened. She was kind enough and provided him food, money, and jewels and sent him home. This time, a thief stole the goods. When the boy came back to the big mother's house crying, she inquired if his mother is doing the Kedareshwara vrath regularly. The boy replied no and said all these ill fortune occurred when she stopped doing the vrath. Since the time was close to Diwali, Punyavati kept the boy till the puja and prepared extra threads for her sister family. She gave him some food and money and sent few bodyguards with him. On the way back, the thief returned the stolen goods and the eagle dropped his bag back. The eagle said the ill fortune to the family is due to his mother stopped performing the vrath. The boy, hearing this, was astonished and rushed back home. In time, the king who grabbed the land gave it back to them. The boy explained the whole thing to his mother. Bhagyavati realized the fault in missing the vratam and vowed to continue to perform it thereafter. They were blessed with all fortune. The belief is that for single women who perform this vratam will get married soon, and a married woman performing this vratam for good and healthy life for their husband. Like Ardhanarishwarar, the husband and wife will be inseparable. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to leave a comments below.